My name is Bridgett and I'm with the Science Center of Iowa. Here at the Science Center of Iowa in the Maker Studio exhibit, we think about everyday objects in different ways. At this station here, we make things called stop-motion animations. A stop-motion animation takes a bunch of still images and then lines them all up in order, and then when you watch those still images play together, it looks like a little movie of all of those flat objects moving by themselves, or like a little animation. Here at the Science Center, we lay a bunch of flat objects out on this surface here, like old storybook pictures. You can see the story still on the back. This is laminated. Or alphabet fridge magnets. And we put our picture out here on this surface, push these buttons here, and this machine called a Raspberry Pi up inside of this little box has a camera in it and a special code that will take all of those pictures, put them all together, and then play them in order like a little movie. Let's learn a little bit more about how stop motion animation works, as well as a really cool way that you can do this kind of stuff at home without a really neat station like this. Here's the little stop motion animation movie I made at home. It took me about 5 minutes to take all the pictures and about 2 minutes to turn it all into a movie. I set up a station using a coffee table, some construction paper, and my smartphone propped up on some clay in order to take really still pictures. Then I found some objects. I'm using a little frog and an alien on a skateboard. When I took the pictures, I didn't move the objects very much with each picture. That's so that the movements in the video would look really smooth. If you move the objects really, really big, then their movements will be pretty big too, kind of like they're teleporting. Also, if your camera moves at all, it'll kind of look like an earthquake is happening in your movie too. Once you've taken all the pictures for your stop motion animation, you're going to want to open gallery mode on your phone and start the screen recording. Then you'll go to the very first picture of your movie. At the very bottom where all of the pictures are lined up, you're just going to scroll through all of those pictures. And then as you're scrolling, it's going to cause the big picture, the big preview picture at the top, to move as well. You can kind of see how it's animating here. And you can play around with it. Oops. You can scroll really fast and really slow and even go backwards. But everything you do, as long as your screen is recording, is going to get captured as you're scrolling. Once you think you're done scrolling through and you have a really good animation recorded in screen record, you're going to turn off screen recording and then go find your video once it's been saved to your gallery, open your video, and then edit it. You can trim out all the other stuff that you don't want and all of the other weird scrolling accidents that happened while you were trying to find a good version of your movie. Once you've trimmed your movie down to only the good parts of the animation you want, you can just crop it. Once your video is cropped, that's all you'll see in your stop motion animation. You can then save your cropped video, and then you'll have a whole brand new video of your stop motion animation with just using your smartphone and some stuff around your house. Of course, that's just one way to make a stop motion animation movie that I was able to figure out just by using some stuff around my house. What other ways can you take pictures of things around your house and put all of those pictures together to make a movie? Experiment with different ways to take pictures, put them together, and make them move in a way that can be recorded or played together as a video. Thinking about everyday objects in different ways and how to use them differently is all a part of the maker's mindset that we celebrate in the Maker Studio at the Science Center of Iowa. Be resourceful, think innovatively, and as always, go beyond with SCI. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!